how to use keywords effectively. Here's how beginners can use keyword the right way. First, do proper keyword research using tools like Google Keywords Planners, Wordsuggest, or Answer the Public. Second, use keywords naturally in your title, meta description, headline, and content. Write for human first. Third, focus on long tail keywords. Instead of shoes, target comfortable running shoes for flat feet. 4. Avoid keyword stuffing. Overusing keywords can hurt ranking and user experience.